Wow. That was decent. Yeah, Mike's kicking your butt. I think the tires are clean.
I got there. I'm liking Mike's truck all the time.
Where are we going now?
I don't know, wherever they're going. Probably just gonna turn around. I'm gonna go get a shower. Okay, maybe not. Nothing coming this way. Oh, we got one. Oh, he's turning. You can do it. Yeah, that happened. Woo-hoo.
That wasn't too bad.
That wasn't too bad at all. I don't know where the heck they're going now. Oh well, it's time to go by.